Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of hydronephrosis with hydroureter due to obstruction caused by a pelvic mass. You can see the kidney and it shows moderate to severe hydronephrosis with hydroureter. Hydronephrosis is usually diagnosed using an ultrasound scan. Further tests may be needed to find out the cause of the condition. An ultrasound scan uses sound waves to create a picture of the inside of the kidneys. If the kidneys are swollen, this should show up clearly. Now you can see the left kidney and it shows moderate to severe hydronephrosis with mild hydroureter. You can see the tracing of the ureter. Left untreated, severe hydronephrosis can lead to permanent kidney damage. Rarely it can cause kidney failure, but hydronephrosis typically affects only one kidney and the other kidney can do the work for both. Again, you can see this is the kidney and this one is the ureter. Hydronephrosis is usually caused by a blockage in the urinary tract or something disrupting the normal working of the urinary tract. The urinary tract is made up of kidneys, the bladder, the ureters. The ureter is a tube that runs from the kidney to the bladder, and urethra, the tube which carries urine out of the body. You can see the tracing of the ureter, and no stone is seen until at this point. Hydronephrosis is usually treated by addressing the underlying disease or cause, such as kidney stone or infection. Again, you can see the tracing of the left ureter. You can differentiate the ureter from the blood vessels by color flow. Some cases can be resolved without surgery. Infections can be treated with antibiotics. A kidney stone can pass through by itself or might be severe enough to require removal with surgery. Now you can see the tracing of the ureter in the lower one third, and you can see a mass is seen in the pelvis just attached to the left lateral wall of the urinary bladder, and this mass is obstructing the left ureter. So now we can safely conclude no stone is seen in the ureter or kidney, and this mass is involving the ureter and causing the hydroureter and the hydronephrosis of the kidney. A male patient, you can see the prostate. No stone is seen in the urinary bladder, ureters, or the kidneys. The mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency and is attached to the left lateral wall of the urinary bladder and is involving the left ureter, obstructing the left ureter. You can see now clearly that the ureter is invaded by this mass, causing hydronephrosis and hydroureter. Now the hydronephrosis grading. The grade 1 is when grade 0 is when no dilatation and consilial walls are opposed to each other. Grade 1 is mild dilatation of renal pelvis without dilatation of the calces, and grade 2 is the mild dilatation. Grade 3 is moderate and grade 4 is severe. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.